Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Subscribers for subscribing. Today you will find a very interesting question. Show that tan square pi by 16 plus tan square 3 pi by 16 plus tan square 5 pi by 16 plus tan square 7 pi by 16 equals to 28. So we'll establish some relation between the terms. If I'll take tan 7 pi by 16, it can be written as tan pi by 2 minus your pi by 16. So this is nothing but your cot pi by 16. Similarly, tan 5 pi by 16 equals to tan can be written as pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. So ultimately this is cot 3 pi by 16. So if we want to write tan square pi by 16 plus tan square 3 pi by 16, third one can be written as cot square pi by 16 and cot square 3 pi by 16, which we have to prove that this is 28. So we'll pair this as tan square pi by 16 and cot square pi by 16. One pair plus tan square 3 pi by 16 cot square 3 pi by 16, another pair. We have to prove that will be 28. Okay, so now I'm coming to the general term. Tan square theta plus cot square theta, I am finding a formula. Because pi by 16 is very less, we don't know the values of this. I'm trying to convert this in form of pi by 4. So for this, I'm taking the formula tan theta equals to your 1 over sine 2 theta minus cot 2 theta. And cot theta equals to 1 over sine 2 theta cot 2 theta. One line, let me prove this. So for tan theta, this right hand side 1 by sine 2 theta and cot 2 theta is cos 2 theta over sine 2 theta. This is nothing but your 1 minus cos 2 theta over sine 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. This is 1 minus sine square theta, 2 sine square theta. And 2 sine theta is 2, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta, we know. So ultimately, it is simplified to tan theta. In the same way, cot theta can be proved. So I am applying this to formula. I am not claiming this is the only method, but I am trying in this method. So now, tan square theta plus cot square theta can be written as your 1 over sine 2 theta minus cot 2 theta square plus for cot square theta 1 over sine 2 theta plus cot 2 theta whole square. Now one is a plus b whole square, one is a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square can be written as 2i is a square plus b square. So tan square theta plus cot square theta can be written as 2 times of 1 by sine 2 theta minus plus sine square 2 theta plus cot square 2 theta. Or this is 2 over sine square 2 theta plus 2 times of cot square 2 theta. As I've already said that we have to convert into 4 times because it is pi by 16. So again this 2 theta I like to convert into 4 times, 4 theta. So how to do it? So tan square theta plus cot square theta, ultimately it is 2 by sine square 2 theta is 1 minus cos 4 theta by 2, or it can be multiplied here. And for second one, I'll go for again this same formula, this one. So this will be 2 times of 1 over sine 4 theta plus cot 4 times of theta whole square. So we can now write tan square pi by 16 tan cot square pi by 16 equals to here 4 over 1 minus cos 4 theta. So cos 4 times of pi by 16 pi by 4 plus 2 into 1 over sine pi by 4 plus cot pi by 4 whole square. So we'll put the value. So tan square pi by 16 plus cot square pi by 16 equals to 4 over 1 minus 1 by root 2 plus 2 into 1 over 1 by root 2 plus 1 whole square. So this will be 4 root 2 by root 2 minus 1. Rationalizing this is with root 2 plus 1, and this one is 2 into root 2 plus 1 whole square. So we are getting 8 plus 4 root 2, and the denominator is 1. Here 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2. So ultimately this is 8 plus 4 root 2 plus 6 plus 4 root 2. So 14 plus 8 root 2. Now coming to tan square 3 pi by 16 plus cot square 3 pi by 16 equals to, here the formula will be, here I am this one. So 4 open 1 minus cos 3 pi by 4 plus 2i is 1 over sine 3 pi by 4 plus cot 3 pi by 4 whole square. So this equals to 4 over 1 plus 1 by root 2 because this is negative plus 2 into, this will be same as root 2, this will be minus 1 whole square. So rationalizing this, it will be 4 root 2 into root 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus 2 into 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. So you could simplify, it will be 14 minus 8 root 2. So now adding them, tan square pi by 16 plus tan square 3 pi by 16 plus tan square 5 pi by 16 plus tan square 10 pi by 16 is same as your 14 plus 14, That will be 28 because this 2 will be cancelled. Hence proved. Thank you for watching.